सर बोलिए आप तो ना दिखाई दे रहे हैं मैम भी कौन सा शिफ्ट ये इसमें ना तो बुद्धि का
Hello, hello.
Good evening, sir.
लाइट ऑफ कर दीजिए अपनी
Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, you're not audible.
हेलो
Yes, sir.
ऑडिएबल टू यू
Sir, barely audible, very slightly.
प्लीज चेक योर इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी
Sir, my connectivity is fine. It shows that your mic is off on the screen.
सेवरल माइक्स ना टेबल नो
Yes, sir.
लॉग आउट करके लॉग कर लिया ये रहने दो राजेंद्र एवरीथिंग इज ओके नाउ अब ठीक है आवाज में
Yes, sir.
यू आर रूप चौधरी
Yes.
from Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
You are from Lucknow.
Yes, sir.
Name proposed for this city.
Sorry, sir.
Name proposed for Lucknow.
Sir, Lakshman Puri.
What is logic behind?
So the logic behind it is that the current ruling party is of the opinion that the Indian cities should have names that were given originally as per the old mythological books or as per the old scripts that we have. So that is the logic which has been given, as has been for Allahabad, which has been named as Prayagraj recently.
Historical importance of Chota Imambada.
Sir, Chota Imambada was it was a place of residence, and it also has a Bhul Bhulaiya, and it is a historical monument which is it's part of the heritage of Lucknow.
Lucknow is known for.
Sir, a lot of things: the beautiful architecture, the food, tunde kebab, the nehari kulcha, the craft chicken curry.
Why it is known as Nawabon ka Shahar?
Sir, because it was a lot of it was the hub of the Awadh culture, and the Nawabs had this was their capital during their reign.
Who was the first Nawab of Awadh?
I'm sorry, sir. I can't recollect. Sorry, sir.
Last Nawab.
I don't recollect the name, but I will check, sir.
Wajid Ali Shah was the last, and Shadar Khan was the first.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, what is PIL?
The PIL is a public interest litigation which is usually filed on matters which are of public concern, and it can be filed either by an individual or by a group of individuals who want to draw the court's attention to a certain matter which has been in concern with the public.
How do you relate it with judicial activism?
So I think both are two very important pillars for our democracy, because it is the duty as citizens that we report matters which we feel are concerns for the other citizens as well, and it is for the judiciary, being the highest office for resolution of problems, that the PILs which are filed before it are they're heard and a solution is reached, because I a lot of the difference that has been made in our society, keeping up with the evolution of our Indian society, has been because of judicial activism. And without these two modes of resolving the
Are you for collegium system or NJAC?
current system, the collegian system, has served the country well, and as long as it works, and as long as it keeps the judiciary independent, it should remain the same.
But it is said that it has produced uncle judges.
So that is, it cannot be generalized. There is good and bad in every system, but over the years, the judges we have seen in the honorable high courts and the Supreme Court are brilliant people, and I feel that they have all been elevated on merit.
Should be going for UCC.
Yes, sir. As a country that is progressing towards equality, secularism, and it is a good decision, and it would serve our country well.
But a judgment in criminal law should contain.
Sorry, sir.
Judgment in criminal law should contain what?
Sir, it should contain the facts of the case, the decision which has been delivered, and the reasons for the decision, as well as the punishment, if any.
This section of CRPC deals with limitation.
Sir, I do not recollect right now. I don't recollect, sir.
Have you gone through the new bills introduced in the parliament?
Yes, sir. Briefly, I have.
With their names,
Sorry, sir.
names of the new bills.
सर भारतीय न्याय संहिता, भारतीय साक्ष्य आई आंसर भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता.
What was your topic of dissertation, LLM?
Sir, it was the role of intellectual property rights in the fashion industry in India.
For how much time the copyright is given?
Sorry, sir.
How much time copyright is protected?
Sir, where the author is known, then it is for his lifetime and 60 years after it, and where the author is not known, then it is for 60 years.
How does that patents differs from copyright?
The copyright is usually given for a particular work of art, whereas patents are given for particular designs or such things which can be. Basically, patents are for designs and copyrights are for artistic works or other such things.
What is your favorite area of law?
The Hindu matrimonial laws.
Hindu Marriage Act.
Yes, Hindu Marriage Act, adoptions, maintenance, minority guardianship.
Can an orphan be adopted under Hindu law?
Sorry.
Can an orphan be adopted under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act?
Yes, sir. Sir, an orphan can be adopted under the Juvenile Justice Act.
Not under Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act.
Sir, if the orphan has a guardian who can give the orphan in adoption, then yes.
What do you mean by the term juvenile?
The juvenile is a child who is under the age of 18 and is in conflict of law. No, sir, they're not essentially same because a juvenile can also be a person who's not under the conflict of law but is under the care of the state, whereas a person who is in conflict of law is a person who has been accused of some crime.
Okay, Roop, you have done your law from Army Institute of Law, Mohali.
Yes, yes, sir.
Maybe well versed with the history of Punjab.
Sorry, sir.
Maybe well versed with history of Punjab.
Sir, I have read about the history of Punjab and yes, sir, I've read about the history of Punjab.
Yeah. What do you know about Sikh missiles?
Sir, Sikh missiles were the soldiers who had come to Punjab to and who had fought with the Mughal soldiers who were here in Punjab at that time. For instance, to commemorate their win, we have the Fateh Burj that is near Mohali and the Gurdwara that is in Sohana.
Okay, so how many Sikh missiles were there?
So that I can't remember right now.
And which one is the largest one?
Sir, that also I'm not aware.
Okay, and out of Sikh missiles, basically three major empires were built.
Yes, sir.
Can you name any?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
It was Patiala, Jind, and Nabha.
Okay, sir.
Came out from Bhangi missile. Okay. Uh, which guru is
Yes.
considered as last question. Which guru is considered as organizing Sikhs as a military force?
Uh, Sir, I don't know, sir, but I will.
Definitely go through with that. You know? It
Okay,
was Guru Hargobind Singh Ji.
okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Roop, what is Anton-Pillar order? You've
Sorry.
done your masters in this IPR, no? So what is
Yes,
an Anton-Pillar order?
ma'am. I don't know, ma'am.
John Doe order or injunctions?
Ma'am, injunctions are like civil injunctions. They can be granted where a person feels that his work is being copied by somebody else without permission.
I am saying, can it be granted under the Patent Act as well?
Yes, ma'am.
These are specific injunctions that I am talking about. These are being granted under the copyright and others. Anton-Pillar and John Doe orders. These are the
Oh,
injunctions.
okay, ma'am.
What about the foreign judgment? Is it conclusive by itself, or do you require to prove certain things and then the judgment becomes conclusive?
Ma'am,
Foreign judgments.
Ma'am, the judgment which is passed by a foreign court, we deem it to be conclusive unless and until circumstances given under Section 13 are proven to the Indian court.
Okay, fine.
Okay, fine. Feedback time.
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you are properly dressed for the interview?
No, sir, I had been waiting since the morning and I'm so sorry. I had changed just now. I'm
What you
planning
propose? What you
sari.
propose for the interview? Which dress?
Sorry, sir, I'm planning to wear a sari. It's a white sari with a green border.
Green border.
White sari with the border.
Border.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. White.
So please concentrate on Punjab history and culture
Yes, sir.
and brush up all other subjects also.
Yes, sir.
Hindu law as well.
All subjects.
And I'll tell my team member to send you the latest judgments,
Okay,
GK
sir.
notes, and
Yes.
all other materials which are being provided to all the students. Go through with that so that
Okay.
you will be updated about the latest things and the GK of Punjab.
And read something about Punjab and Haryana High Court also.
Yes,
And
sir.
positive things, positive things. You have very good communication skill. You're
Thank
very
you.
calm,
Good confidence.
good confidence level.
Thank
Maintain
you.
that
Okay,
too.
sir.
Okay?
All
There is
right.
a very fair chance. There is a very fair chance.
Thank you, sir.
All the
Okay.
best.
All the best. Refresh yourself. है ना?
Yes.
And read करो जब तक इंटरव्यू है 15 घंटे से पहले नहीं उठना.
ठीक है, done, sir.
All the best.
Thank
Okay.
Last में सीमा भी आ गई.
ज़्यादा नहीं कहा है.